Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye! Happy Waiwaka! Happy Waiwaka!
Aira, the piwaiwaka. Look at its tail, hiku. It's shaped like a fan. Ko fiu fiu.
Ko fiu fiu. Fan.
Very good, Tākaro Tribe. Its fan-like hiku tail helps it to dart about to catch its kai, food. Piwaiwaka eats small flying pepeke, insects.
Pepeke. Insects.
Ka rawe. Its hiku tail will also help it to kanikani, dance.
Oh, yay!
Kuarite mai koutou?
Aye!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoama. Matike, maranga, ne tina tatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Pāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka o matino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Patutaki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e huama? Matike, maranga!
What is that Piwaiwaka has given you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he'll be able to tell you what Piwaiwaka gave you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure.
Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā.
Did you enjoy dancing with the Piwaiwaka?
Aira!
Miharo, marvellous. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look. Do you know what it is?
Aua!
How many legs does it have? Let's count them.
Tahi, rua, toru, whā. E whā ngā waiwai.
Tino pai, Tākaro Tribe. E whā. It has 4 waiwai, a big body, tinana, and a very long fiore, tail.
Body. Tinana. Fiore. Tail.
It's a Hōiho.
Hōiho.
It's a Hōiho, and it runs very fast. Tere. Miharo. Marvelous. It's time for us to visit some friends.
He whiro. That's my colour. He manawa whiro.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Riding Hōiho is great fun. It has a tera, saddle, on its back. It has a paraire, bridle on its head, and reina, reins for steering. You can sit in the tera and ride the Hōiho. Hōiho can oma, gallop. They can toi, trot, and they can peke, jump over things. Some Hōiho are wild and roam free. Some are working Hōiho, used on farms to round up sheep, hippie, and cows. Ko. The Hōiho is a very special animal. This is the letter O.
Oh, kuahu! It's me!
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter O?
I!
O. Start at the top, then draw around in a circle till you get back to the top. Kapai. Let's do it again. Start at the top and draw a circle all the way around. O.
Yay!
Miharo Tākaro Tribe. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
What did you learn about today?
Hōiho.
Hōiho. Let's learn to spell it.
Ha.
Do you think we need a H?
I. M.
Do you think we need a M?
Cow. O.
Do you think we need an O?
I. E.
Do you think we need an E?
I.
What about another H?
I. O.
Do you think we need an O?
Need an O. I.
Karawe, well done. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it.
Hōiho.
What's the first letter of the word Hōiho?
Hōiho.
Sino pai. Huh. Now try sounding out the word Hōiho.
Ho. I. Ho.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Ho. He. O. I. Ho. He. O. Hōiho.
Did you manage to spell the word Hōiho?
Ho. I. Ho. Hōiho. Hōiho. Yay!
Kārawe, well done. I knew you could do it.
The Hōiho is a special animal. It's fun to ride, and it can oma, run like the wind. A very beautiful animal, tino a tāhua. Ho, I, ho. It's a Hōiho.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmārie, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, paraihe o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmārie, e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia, kia au.
He mea